Hi everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sign up for FTX wallet. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. In order to create or sign up for a new account for FTX, start off by tapping open your FTX application if you're using a mobile device, or if you're using your web browser, go to www.ftx.com. Let me just open up my app over here. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see two options displayed on the screen. Tap the register button in green in order to sign up for FTX. Select your platform from the options displayed. If you reside in the US, tap on the second option. Otherwise, tap the first one. Now, if you have a referral code, enter the referral code in the text box at the top. But if you don't, you can skip the step. Agree to the FTX Terms of Service and Privacy Policy by checking on the little circle at the bottom. Now, you can choose one of the options displayed beneath. If you'd like to use your email address to register, tap on Use an email to register. Now, enter an email address that you would like to associate with FTX. Once you're done, head over to the password text box and type in a password for yourself. After you create a password, tap on the register button at the bottom. Type in your first name and your last name into the text box on the next page. Enter your date of birth information as well and tap next. Enter your address in the text box and tap the next button at the bottom. Enter your phone number on the next page and make sure to enter a valid phone number, since you'll need to verify your phone number by entering the verification code. After you are done, tap next. Now, enter the 6-digit code that has been sent on your mobile number in order to verify. Once you type in the code, tap submit. Answer some of the questions like, for example, sources of your funds. Verify your identity by providing your government-issued ID, and that way you'll be able to create a new account or sign up for FTX. That is how you can easily sign up for FTX wallet. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.